welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics. In that today we are going to study multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, so first we will study the multiplication of fraction. Okay, so first basically again you have to remember one rule of multiplication, that is when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and that of the denominators in the denominator. Okay, again I am repeating, when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and that of the denominators in the denominator. So to understand this rule, let us take one example. First, suppose we have to multiply by 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So two fractions are given and we have to obtain the multiplication of these two fractions. So what the rule says, suppose here the first is 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. Okay, so here this 3 is called the what? Position, numerator, and 5's position is what? Denominator. Okay, so what the rule says, whenever we have to multiply two fraction, first product of numerators. So in first fraction numerator is 3, in second fraction numerator is 1, we have to write that product into numerator. Second, denominator is 5 and here the denominator is 2. Okay, means we have to write the product of numerator separately in the numerator position and the product of denominator in the denominator position. So 3 multiply 1, 3 ones are 3, divided by 5 2s are 10. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take a second example. Suppose 10 by 7, okay, into 14 upon 5. Okay, so again we take numerator into numerator, that is 10 into 14 divided by denominator into denominator. So 14 tens are 140, 7 5s are 35. Okay, next suppose minus 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So again minus 3 into 1 upon 5 into 2. Now always remember, multiplication of minus into minus, it become plus. Okay, then minus into plus, it become minus, plus into minus, it becomes minus, and plus into plus is equal to plus. So here minus into plus become minus. So minus 3 ones are 3 but sign become minus, 5 2s are 10. So minus 3 upon 10. So I hope all of you understood the multiplication of fraction. Now next we are going to study the division of fractions. Before starting the division of fraction, there is one concept, that is reciprocal or multiplicative inverses. Okay, what is this reciprocal or multiplicative inverses? So for that you have to remember, when the product of two numbers, is 1, each of the numbers is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each other, there. Again I am repeating, when the product of two numbers is 1, each of the number is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each other. To understand this, let us consider one example. Okay, suppose here I am taking the product of 5 upon 6 and the 6 upon 5. Product means the multiplication. So we just studied, that is the when we have to consider the product of the two fractions or the numbers. At that time, numerator into numerator, that is a 5 into 6, divided by denominator into denominator, that is 6 into 5. So we know that 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. They become cancelled, so value becomes 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Or let us take a product, 5 6 are 30 upon 6 5s are 30. Numerator again 30 ones are 30. So in this case, if you observe, whenever I took the product of these two products, the value becomes 1. So in this case, suppose we consider the number 5 upon 6, okay, then the 6 upon 5 is called the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of this number. Means if you observe this number 5 upon 6 and 6 by 5, here in the first fraction the 5's position is the numerator. In second case, the fifth position, that is the position of 5, is the denominator. Similar is the case with the 6. So whenever we can say that a fraction is multiplied by another fraction by exchanging the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction. Means what? If we want to obtain the inverse, suppose here I am take the next example 3 upon 4, and if I ask you people what is the inverse or the multiplicative inverse of this fraction, so remember how to obtain this. You have to just change the position of 3 and 4, that is numerator and denominator. So whenever we want to write the inverse, okay, of 3 upon 4, you have to change the position. Means here the 4 is the at denominator, so it should be at numerator. In this case 3's position is numerator, so whenever we are obtaining the inverse, it should goes to denominator. Means here is the 3 numerator, here is the 3 at denominator, 4 is at denominator, 4 is at numerator. Means just by exchanging the numerator and denominator position, we can obtain the inverse of the number. I hope all of you understood what is the inverse. Okay, and also remember the product of two numbers, okay, which are reciprocal or inverse of each other, its product value is 1. Now we study the division. Okay, so for division you have to remember the rule. Okay, to divide a number by fraction is to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. Now I hope all of you understood. Reciprocal means what? You people want to change the position of numerator and denominator. Exchange. You have to what? Exchange the positions. Now see, we take one example of this division. Suppose division of 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So how to obtain this? Here 2 upon 3, okay, and the division symbol is like this, 1 upon 4. So in this case, what the rule says, to divide a number by fraction is to multiply it by reciprocal of the fraction. Means here 2 upon 3 is same as it is, but the sign of division is changed into multiplication. But for that you have to take a reciprocal of the second fraction, 1 upon 4. Reciprocal means what? Now here we are going to change the position. Here 4 is at denominator, so it become at numerator, and 1 is at numerator, it become, means 1 upon 4th reciprocal is what? 4 upon 1. Then we know that how to obtain the multiplication. Numerator into numerator, 2 into 4 upon denominator into denominator, 3 into 1. So 4 2s are 8 upon 3 1s are 3. Yes. So take one more example. Suppose here the 11 upon 12 and 4 upon 7. So yes, so 11 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 7. So sign become change. So we are taking the reciprocal of these. So 4 by 7, the reciprocal is 7 by 4. So 11 7s are 77, numerator into numerator, and denominator into denominator, 12 4s are 48. So this is the answer. Yes. So I hope all of you understood the multiplication and division of fractions. Thank you.